Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
My name is Felisa Putriadia.
My name is Novi Duyanti.
Today we will explain material about simple present tense.
Definition: simple present tense. Simple present tense is asked to discuss something general. For example, a general truth or something that happens repeatedly, frequently, as in everyday life. The present tense is also a verb tense used to describe events occurring in the present.
Function. Number 1, facts or truth. Number 2, an action that occurs continuously or habitually. Number 3, talking about general matters.
Fact or truth. Use the state of fact or truth. Here are some examples. The sun rises in the east. Water freezes at degrees Celsius. Gravity pulls objects towards the earth.
Number 2, an action that occurs continuously or habitually. It can also be used to express a habit or action that is done routinely. For example, she reads a book every night before bed. I brush my teeth twice a day. He drinks coffee every morning.
Talking about general matter. In addition, the simple present tense can also be used to describe general information or something that happens all the time. Here are some examples. Nurse. Nurse looks after patients in hospital. Plants need sunlight to grow. The cafe opens at 7:30 every morning.
Characteristic of simple present tense sentence. Simple present tense uses verbs in their best form, infinitive or irregular verbs. An example of a present tense sentence is I play soccer every weekend. The verb in the sentence is play in its best form.
Characteristic. The second characteristic of simple present tense sentence is use of auxiliary verbs, do or does, in negative and interrogative forms. Simple present tense sentence use adverb of frequency such as always, usually, often, sometimes, never, and others.
Simple present tense formula. Number 1, positive sentence is a subject, to be, and complement. Number 2, negative sentence is a subject, to be, not, and complement. And number 3, interrogative sentence, to be, subject, and complement. In general, the simple present tense formula consists of subject plus verb, es, and complement for positive verbal sentence. If the sentence pattern is nominal, the present tense formula becomes subject plus auxiliary verb to be plus complement.
Formula to be. I am. Example, I am a student. I am happy. You, we, they are. Example, we are friends. He, she, it is. Example, she is smart. It is cool.
S or es, only for he, she, and it, the most important rule. And the ending s or es to the verb if the subject is he, she, or it in a positive sentence. Example, I work to she work, they go to he goes.
Subject differences. I, you, we, they. Gunakan verb 1 bentuk asli tanpa tambahan apapun. Example, they eat rice. We study English. You play guitar. I wake up at 6. He, she, it. Gunakan verb 1 plus she is. He eats rice. She studies English. It plays with a ball. The cat sleeps.
Do versus does. Do, used for the subject are you, they, we. You don't live here. Do you live here? They don't like spinach. Does, used for subject she, he, it. She doesn't live here. Does she live here? He does not like spinach.
Don't add the s. if the sentence already contains the auxiliary verb does, do, doesn't, or don't, the verb must return to its original form, verb 1 without us. Wrong. Does she work here? Correct. Does she work here?
Adverb. Adverb of frequency. Always, usually, often, sometimes, seldom or rarely, and never. Time expression. Every day, every week, on Mondays, twice a week, once a month.
Examples of simple present tense with nominal sentence patterns. Plus, I am an international school student. I am a student. She is not an international school student. She is not a student. Is she an international school student? Is she a student?
Example of verbal simple present tense. Positive, subject plus verb 1 plus s or es plus complement. Negative, subject plus do or does not plus verb 1 plus complement. Interrogative, do or does plus subject plus verb 1 plus complement. If you use third person pronouns, he, she, it, singular subject, there are some verbs that must be added. Add s or es at the end of the sentence. To be is are. Predicate, noun or adjective. Complement is adverb. The conclusion is the simple present tense is a tense used to describe something happening right now, present at a specific time. Because it occurs in the present tense, it uses the first verb 1 in the sentence structure.
That's all the simple present tense material from us. Thank you.
Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.